very clear. That's what I have, a clarity about my vision, and I'm boom, I'm in there. I'm in my vision right now. I just did it. It was so easy. It was so easy and seamless. And now I'm there. I'm just gonna tune in. And the first thing I got was like the unknown, and it feels very exciting. I don't even know. I don't even know how my year's gonna be next year, but that unknowing feels electrifying. And I see that with my drawing now. There's a lot of electricity in here. I did like a cross with like electricity coming out of it. I didn't think that at the time, but now as I'm standing on it, I'm very excited. You can hear my voice. I feel energized to a whole other level, that I've never experienced before. I like that. Like off the chart. Like, I guess what I'm feeling is inspiration, motivation, and curiosity.